That's cool.
Yeah.
So everybody's wanting to know what your tricks are.
Yeah.
What's some tricks that you got up your sleeve?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't want to share any info?
That's just silly. Hey, I'm silly.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're nuts.
Are you a pro cat fisherman? You are?
Pro fat daddy, huh?
What is some of your tricks you use?
I don't know.
You don't know? You got lucky underwear or something?
Ah!
That's what it is. Jacob's lucky underwear.
Jacob's lucky underwear? Yeah. That or he don't change his socks. I don't know.
Uh-huh.
Do you wear dirty socks?
No.
No.